Guys, sabi na, say hello.
Cow.
Hi, oh, cow.
Fish.
Nandito kami sa katangkihan. Ayan.
Fish.
Ayan.
Fish.
Meron dyang bangos. Ay, hala, nahulog ko na. Galing kami school ni Baby Ito. Pero pumunta kami daw, bibili kaming ulam, isda.
Fish.
Isda sariwa. Ayun ako, may ano, bird, oh, ayun, oh. Bird, oh, ayun, oh, nasa kuryente, oh, that is bird.
Fish.
Diyan, maraming bangos. Fish.
Daughter.
Water. That is water. Many fish. There.
There. Fish. Doctor.
Oh, yes, it's a bangos.
Doctor. Doctor.
Oh, may monster dyan? Oh, no, that is fish. No more monster there. It's only fish. Sabi niya, may monster there. Wala, fish lang yan.
Doctor.
Oh, no. No more monster there. It's a fish. It's a milkfish.
No.
And a tahong.
Hey, go.
Oh,
Go.
kasi mas mura daw dito.
Go.
Tapos nakabili kami, ayan,
Go.
ang palaya.
Ikaw?
Mura lang din
Go,
daw.
go, go.
Ay, cow. Yung cow daw gusto niya ipakita yun. That is cow. Kita?
Go.
Oh, nakita ni Ibo ang cow. O, diba? Ayan. Akaw. O, diba? Ito yung pagbibig. See you, mga mare. Mamaya na lang ulit. Bye-bye.